Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 2008 SUV in the Allure specification. So this car features Peugeot's grip control, which gives you optimised grip in different conditions such as snow, mud and sand. There's 17-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, you get rear parking sensors. Now inside the car you've got a half leather interior. The touchscreen features DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. And on top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights and wipers and cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car has the top of the range 1.2 litre PureTech engine. It gives you 130 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox, done under 13,000 miles. And if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.